What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best gaming mouse in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In the budget gaming mouse market for 2024, the SteelSeries Rival 3 stands out as an excellent choice that offers good value for money. SteelSeries has integrated a new, cost-effective sensor into the Rival 3, which is rich with features commonly found in more expensive devices. Despite being a budget mouse, it boasts a remarkable performance, although it does have a few minor shortcomings. The SteelSeries Rival 3 sports 6 buttons on either side of its body. However, it may disappoint left-handed users as buttons are only available on the left side of the device. This decision seems somewhat puzzling, given the fact that the mouse is designed symmetrically. It almost feels as if SteelSeries has intentionally overlooked the needs of left-handed users. Despite this, the mouse offers a decent hand feel, albeit it's slightly small. It is most comfortable for those who use claw or fingertip grips, as the narrow body might not suit palm grip users or those with larger hands. The side buttons are positioned comfortably within thumb's reach when using a claw grip, yet they're placed in a way that prevents accidental clicks. The top DPI switch is also small enough to be tucked away without the hassle. The SteelSeries Rival 3 is quite lightweight, weighing in at just 77 grams. Although weight preference varies among gamers, some may wish for a slightly heavier feel. That said, the click mechanism feels robust and durable, which aligns with SteelSeries' emphasis on product longevity. The matte finish enhances the overall aesthetic and provides a pleasant touch. The design of the SteelSeries Rival 3 also features ergonomic concave sides that guide your thumb to a comfortable resting spot. One of its standout design elements is the lighting. Unlike other budget mice that forgo RGB lighting to cut costs, SteelSeries has embraced it. The glowing logo on the palm rest is a nice touch, but the real showstopper is the light strip that lines the bottom edge of the mouse. It creates a floating effect, particularly impressive in low-light conditions. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. In our 2024 review series, we're thrilled to introduce the SteelSeries Sensei 310, a standout contender for the best wired gaming mouse. The Sensei 310 is the reincarnation of the classic SteelSeries Sensei, but with enhanced features and improved construction quality, making it an unbeatable choice amongst its wired counterparts. This revamped version doesn't just boast a sophisticated look, but also houses a superior sensor that sets it apart from other gaming mice available in the market. Despite these significant enhancements, the Sensei 310 remains true to its origins as a cost-effective, professional-grade gaming mouse. The new SteelSeries Sensei 310 retains the fundamental form and 8-button design of its forerunners, yet it brings a contemporary spin to this classic device. The previous faux chrome and anodized finishes have been swapped out for a slightly textured matte finish that ensures a firm grip. Additionally, the rubber bands on the sides have been replaced with silicone pads for further stability. Weighing a mere 90 grams, we were initially apprehensive that the Sensei 310 might replicate the cheap, hollow feel of the HyperX Pulsefire. However, our concerns were quickly dispelled by the solid construction quality of this gaming mouse and its sandblasted finish that exudes a premium feel over ordinary plastic. The SteelSeries Sensei 310 is ergonomically designed, with curves that fit perfectly in your hand. Its steeply sloping back offers a comfortable grip for the palm, making it suitable for both claw and palm grip users. While many gaming mice promise high sensitivity levels, SteelSeries has taken it a step further by incorporating advanced vibration reduction. This feature smooths out minute hand movements, enabling precise shots even when your hands are trembling with adrenaline. The Sensei 310 is ideal for gaming novices, offering excellent features that'll enhance your gaming skills over time. With a lifespan of 50 million clicks, it's a reliable companion for your potential gaming career. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Introducing the Logitech G502X Lightspeed, crowned as the superior wireless gaming mouse of 2024. At first glance, you may not notice the differences between this model and its predecessors. However, a deeper examination reveals a series of upgrades that cater to first-person shooter FPS players. The sensor remains unchanged from the already enhanced G502 Hero 25X, but there are notable ergonomic enhancements and weight reductions. The Logitech G502X weighs in at a mere 89 grams, a significant decrease from the Hero's 121 grams. This weight reduction is a key focus of Logitech's design strategy for the G502X. However, Like its predecessor, the G502X doesn't offer a customizable weight option, which would have been a welcome feature considering its price tag matches that of the Hero. To achieve this lighter weight, several modifications were made. Notably, the LED system behind the Logitech G logo has been removed entirely, eliminating any RGB lighting. Although some may miss the ability to configure damage flashes on the mouse, this streamlined design caters more to the FPS community. The scroll wheel has been redesigned, now made of plastic instead of metal, helping to further reduce weight without sacrificing the infinite scrolling feature. A standout addition to the G502X is the replaceable thumb button with a small rotatable lip. It can be swapped with a silicone button that functions as a stop when rotated, adding a unique element of customization without increasing the mouse's weight. Further enhancing the ergonomic design, the G502X features a comfortable thumb rest and longer buttons, contributing to an overall superior user experience. These are improvements that we didn't realize were missing from the original Logitech G502 line until now. Finally, a subtle but critical upgrade can be found in the Lightforce hybrid switches. These switches blend the speed of optical technology with the tactile feedback of mechanical actuation. This combination strikes a balance between speed and feedback, offering users an enhanced gaming experience. Through these thoughtful upgrades and revisions, the Logitech G502X Lightspeed proves itself as the best wireless gaming mouse of 2024. Up next, the Razer Basilisk V3 has earned its spot as the runner-up best gaming mouse in 2024. While it draws some inspiration from the highly regarded Logitech G502 Hero, Razer has put its own unique spin on the Basilisk V3, resulting in a product that stands out in the gaming mouse market. With extensive customization options and a design that lends itself to daily use, the Basilisk V3 is not only a gamer's delight, but also a versatile tool for everyday tasks. The Razer Basilisk V3 is a distinctive gaming mouse, offering a plethora of user-defined settings. It pays homage to the Logitech V502 Hero while introducing several enhancements that set it apart from its predecessor, the Basilisk V2, and its Logitech counterpart. The first thing you'll notice when comparing the Basilisk V3 with its previous version is the inclusion of additional Razer Chroma RGB lighting. This feature adds a lower strip of light that casts a soft glow on your mousepad, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your gaming setup. This lighting can be synchronized with other Razer RGB peripherals via Synapse, creating a cohesive look. It also offers an interactive experience with Chroma-integrated games like Apex Legends or Fortnite, thanks to the Chroma Visualizer. While this lighting doesn't directly boost performance, it adds a polished and visually appealing touch to your gaming setup. For those who prefer a more minimalistic look, the lights can be turned off, making the Basilisk V3 suitable for office use as well. The Basilisk V3 truly shines with its innovative hyperspeed scroll wheel, capable of toggling between standard tactile scrolling and free spin mode. This feature proves handy when you need to scroll rapidly through web pages or tables. You can manually alternate between these two modes or activate the Smart Wheel mode via Razer Synapse. This intelligent feature identifies when you're scrolling excessively and automatically switches between tactile and freewheel modes based on your activity. Finally, a subtle but critical upgrade can be found in the Lightforce hybrid switches. These switches blend the speed of optical technology with the tactile feedback of mechanical actuation. This combination strikes a balance between speed and feedback, offering users an enhanced gaming experience. Good stuff. And now the Razer Viper V2 Pro stands as the best gaming mouse of 2024. This flagship gaming mouse from Razer is a genuine tour de force in the gaming industry, brimming with cutting-edge hardware and innovative technology. The Razer Viper V2 Pro is an extraordinary marvel in its own right. Equipped with a top-tier optical sensor, state-of-the-art optical switches, a featherweight frame, and ultra-accurate wireless capabilities, it's clear that Razer has crafted this mouse to equip gamers with every possible edge in first-person shooter FPS games. In terms of design and form, the Viper V2 Pro mirrors its predecessor, the Viper Ultimate, with subtle differences. It shuns the additional buttons and side handles found in the Ultimate and even omits the RGB logo at the bottom. The lightness of the mouse contributes significantly to its comfort. When it comes to build quality, the V2 Pro doesn't disappoint. With its rugged outer shell, it offers a firm grip, enhancing precision during intense gaming sessions. For those desiring an added level of control, Razer includes textured grips that can be attached to the sides and primary buttons. The Viper V2 Pro features 6 programmable buttons, including 2 thumb buttons, click to move, scroll up and down, along with the right mouse button. Underneath the mouse, you'll find the DPI switch, which doubles as the power button, the 30K optical sensor, and 3 full-size PTFE feet that ensure smooth gliding over any surface. This optical sensor is capable of tracking on a diversity of surfaces, even claiming to be the first gaming mouse to accurately track on glass, up to 2 millimeters thick. Like all Razer products, the Viper V2 Pro integrates seamlessly with Razer Synapse, allowing users to fine-tune settings, adjust programmable buttons, modify DPI levels up to 5 stages, alter polling speed, and optimize power settings for ideal battery usage. In terms of performance, the Viper V2 Pro is second to none. It boasts Razer's novel optical sensor that provides 30,000 DPI, a significant leap from the Ultimate's 20,000 DPI, 750 IPS tracking, and 70G acceleration. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 gaming mouse in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.